Oh shit, this is going really fast. Right off the rip. I didn't think it had it. The game engine could go this fast. That's pretty cool. And a little nerve-wracking. You know, this, if all 4 scrolling stages were like this, I wouldn't hate them. This is great.